So in this session, we'll discuss the remaining problem of logarithms. Let us go for the question. If log base 10 to a by b, a minus b by 5 equals to 1 by 2 of log base 10 to a plus log base 10 to b, then find the value of a by b plus b by a. Question. So let us take the problem. The problem is log of a minus b by 5 equals to 1 by 2 of log a plus log b. Okay. Now using the formula log of base a to x to the power of n can be write n of log base a to x. This is the formula which I can use to simplify this part. I will also use the one more formula log of base a to x into y equals to log base a to x plus log base a to y. Okay, which is implies log a minus b by 5 equals to log of a into b all to the power of 1 by 2 using these two formula. If n of log base a to x, then I can write log base a to x to the power of n. So this I will write as a power. As a product I will write the as a sum I will write the product. Log a plus log b I will write log of a into b. Since these logarithms have the same base 10, so I will equate their powers. A minus b by 5 equals to a into b all to the power of 1 by 2. So making the power or raising the power on the both sides to 2. Okay. So making whole square simply. Squaring on the both side, which is implies a minus b by 5 whole square equals to ab all to the power of 1 by 2 to the power of 2. 2 to cancel. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab by 5 square is 25, which is equals to a into b. Okay. Now which is implies a square plus b square minus 2ab, if you multiply this side 25a into b. Let us transport minus 2ab sorry a square plus b square equals to 25 ab minus 2ab becomes plus 2ab, which is equals to a square plus b square equals to 27ab. Okay, a square plus b square by ab. This ab when comes to here it will become divide into 7. A square by a into b plus b square by a into b equals to 27. A1 a square b square. Now a by b plus b by a equals to 27. Okay. 3.7 whole to the power of x equals to 0.37 whole to the power of y, which is equals to 100. Then show that 1 by x minus 1 by y, which is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. In fact, this is very easy question. What is the question is? 3.7 whole to the power of x is equals to 0.37 whole to the power of y, which is equals to 100. If a equals to b, b equals to c, then a equals to c. That implies 3 to the power of 7 whole to the power of x equals to 100 I am taking. Using logarithm, now apply the logarithm for this. X equals to log base 3 to the power of 7 to 100. Okay, I want to find the value of 1 by x. If I make the 1 by x, then I will write log of base 100 to 3.7. Okay, we have the formula. Log base e to x equals to 1 by 2 of log base x to a. Okay, this I will write log of 10 square 37 by 10. 3.7 I am writing this decimal, I am converting into fraction. 3.7 is 37, 0.7 is in the denominator I will write 10, which I will write 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 by 10. What is the formula used here? Log base a to the power of n to x equals to 1 by n of log base a to x. This is the formula. Okay, which is equals to 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus log base 10 to 10. What is the formula used again here? Log base a to x by y is equals to log base a to x minus log base a to y. Okay, so if I will write now 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 1, because what is the formula? Log base a to a equals to 1. Equation number 1. Let us go for the other part similarly as this. Okay, what is the other part? 0.37 whole to the power of y is equals to 100. Again applying the logarithm or using logarithm, y equals to log base 0.37 to 100. But what I required 1 by y. 1 by y equals to log base 100 to 0.37, which implies 1 by y equals to log of base 10 square to 37 by 10 square. 37 by 100 actually it is. Okay, but I will write as 10 square. So furtherly 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 by 10 square. 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus of log base 10 to 10 square, which is implies 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 2 of log base 10 to 10. So which is implies 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 2 into 1. You know why I am writing? Because log base 10 to 10 is 1. 2 into 1, 2 itself. 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 2. Equation number 2. You know, I need to find the 1 by x minus 1 by y. So therefore, equation number 1 minus equation number 2. What is equation number 1? 1 by x minus 1 by y. What is 1 by x? 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 1 minus of, what's the 1 by value? 1 by 2 of log base 10 to 37 minus 2. So totally I will take 1 by 2 common. Log base 10 to 37 minus 1 minus log base 10 to 37 minus into minus plus 2. Cancel. 1 by 2 of minus 1 plus 2. 1 by 2 of 1 is equals to 1 by 2. If phi to the power of log base phi to sin theta equals to 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, then find the value of theta. Easiest question. What are you telling? Phi to the power of log base phi to sin theta equals to 1 by root 2. Then find the value of theta. What is the formula? A to the power of log base a to x equals to x I will write. Phi to the power of log base by sin theta I will write sin theta itself, which equals to 1 by root 2. You know, theta equals to sin inverse of 1 by root 2. Theta equals to, and sin theta at the theta equals to 45 degrees, I will get the 1 by root 2. What is the theta value? It is 45 degrees. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. Next question is, if 3 to the power of x equals to 5 and 3 to the power of y equals to 15, then find the value of x. So don't be confused by looking at the question. It's one of the easiest questions. Let us go for the question. 3 to the power of x equals to 5. Apply the log. X is equals to log base 3 to 5. Equation number 1. Next, 3 to the power of y equals to 15. Apply the log. Y equals to log base 3 to 15. So again, 15 I can write 3 into 5 equals to log base 3 to 3 plus log base 3 to 5. What is the formula? Log base a to x into y. I write log base a to x plus log base a to y. So what is the answer then? 1. Log base 3 to 5. From equation number I can write x equals to y. What is the question? Find the value of x. Then x is equals to y minus 1.